Hi everyone, my name is Faith Moria and I'm the Director of Discovery Chinese Cultural Center. And Discovery Chinese is where we teach Chinese language and culture. But of course we do other things. We do translation and we do interpretation of Chinese to English, English to Chinese. But our primary thing or the core thing that we do there is to teach Chinese language and culture. And the most amazing thing is that we are now 10 years. Yes. We just celebrated our 10th anniversary, something that we are really grateful to God about, because it's been a long journey of seeing students transitioning from one level after another level and another level, as well as seeing students being able to acquire good comprehension in Chinese language and culture, and even acquire employment, others just going to do business, and finding out that Chinese language has been very important to them, and it has enabled them to get to where they are. But not only that, we help students that are interested in learning Chinese as well as advancing their Chinese language. For example, if a student is in level 1 and they come to our center, they are able to move to the next level, which is level 2. And at the moment, our center has been having 6 levels of Chinese language. But now, after the introduction of 3 more levels by the Chinese Education Department, now our center will be taking students up to the 9th level. But not to worry about that, because you don't have to do all the 9 levels. You do a level depending on your reason for studying Chinese. For example, if you're a business person, then you don't need to go all the way to level 9. Even level 1 and level 2, or even level 1 alone is enough for you to help you acquire the language that you need for transacting business in China or with a Chinese person. So the reason as to why you want to learn the language dictates which level you ought to go. For example, if you're a teacher like me, then you have no reason to stop at level 1 or level 2. Then you ought to go to level 9. So the reason as to why you want to learn the language dictates the level. Our center as well offers HSK exams. Probably you don't know what HSK exams are, but HSK are Chinese proficiency exams for adults. We also have YCT exams, which are for young learners, the children. All the way up to age 13, they are able to do YCT, and these are international exams. We have our own internal exams, but our students as well go through the international exams so that they know where they are together with their other international counterparts. You need to know exactly which level you are, and therefore you are tested in between level 1 up to level 6. How do we offer our classes? Yeah, we offer our classes both online. We have online classes. We use the Zoom platform where we get to meet our students live. We also have an online platform, a system whereby our students are able to access the resource materials online. They are as well able to access the pre-recorded videos and audios, as well as when we do a lesson, the Zoom recording is put in there so that they can be able to re-listen again and get to learn more. But we also have classes in our physical center on Koinange Street, a building called Rattansi Educational Trust Building on 4th floor, room F33. So you can always come there. You're welcome to come and learn Chinese language from our physical center. And therefore, we endeavor every single day to ensure that our students are growing. And we not only meet them in the classes, either online or physical, but every Thursday we've got our Facebook live classes. We as well have YouTube live classes, which are free on Fridays, and therefore you can get to connect with us even during those times and learn Chinese language for free. If you're practicing your spoken Chinese, you can as well connect with us during Thursdays, Facebook lives and YouTube lives on Fridays to be able to increase your vocabulary. And right now, especially at this moment, we've been engaging our students in growing their vocabulary to the new 2021 vocabulary that has been increased by the Education Department of China. And therefore, Chinese language is a good language that I would encourage every other student to learn, especially to increase their employment opportunities, boost their CV, travel abroad, and get to as many things. I mean, when you learn a language, your options are so many. You can be able to venture into anything that you want. Therefore, guys, welcome to Discovery Chinese Cultural Center, and come visit us, come take tea with us, just come and have fun with us and see what we do. Yeah. And that's it. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.